In this video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to promote courses as an affiliate. This is going to be a no-brainer, simple step-by-step process, so make sure you watch this entire video. For the best tips and tricks to learn affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship, be sure to subscribe to my channel and ring the bell so that you're notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. Hello, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I'm an affiliate marketer and internet entrepreneur who has helped thousands of people across multiple platforms make passive income, and today I want to help you. All right, so as I mentioned, I'm going to show you step by step how you can promote courses that are relatively easy, straightforward, and no-brainer. First thing, obviously, you need to do is you need to pick a course. Now, this can be in anything. This could be in dog training, affiliate marketing, basket weaving. It doesn't matter. As long as the course has an affiliate program, pick that course. The next step, which is optional, is to take the course. Now, this is the easiest way to learn exactly what the course is about, the strengths, the weaknesses, and really everything that you need to know so that you can really help your customer. Now, what I would do, and this is just a personal preference, is take the course so that you can figure out what the weaknesses are. Now, learning what the weaknesses are surprisingly important. The reason why they're important is so that you can offer a bonus that will help with those weaknesses and turn it into strengths. When you offer a bonus, you actually make your offer an exclusive offer, and it makes it more appealing to the customer. Now, don't get crazy with the bonuses. I've seen people have offered $5,000 worth of bonuses for a $20 course, and people start to wonder, why would you promote a course if the bonus is worth more than the course? So don't get crazy with the offers. Make sure that the bonus supplements the course, and then create the bonus, and then you can give that away when someone buys the course. So that's step one. It's optional. You don't have to do it, but it helps strengthen your case for the course. The second thing that I recommend that you do is create content talking about each part of the course. For example, I'm here on my website, alstongodbolt.com. On my website, I have an affiliate marketing course that's free. If you were offering a paid course, what you would do is you could create videos about each part of the course. For example, you could create a video on YouTube or even a blog post or maybe even paid advertising where you talk about what is affiliate marketing. You spend 5 or 6 minutes talking about affiliate marketing, and then you add a call to action. Hey, if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, you want to get more in-depth, hands-on, I do have a course that I want you to check out. You link to the course. Obviously, you should link to a landing page and collect their email address first, but you get them over to the course. People see that the message is congruent because that's what's most important, and they buy the course. This is a very easy way to go. And again, the cool thing about this is that the course creator has basically created an outline for you. You could go through and simply step by step create content, many pieces of content that offers information, and then get them over to the course. When they buy the course, you can get paid a commission. And this works for anything. You could do it for courses over on Udemy. For example, if we go over to udemy.com, we can find a number of courses. Again, I'm going to use courses that I've created. So I'm going to go type in Alston Godbolt, hit enter. And when I do that, let's say we could do, I have Bluehost affiliate program right here. Affiliate marketing with the Bluehost affiliate program. When I click on this, as an affiliate, I could go through and I could look at the description and talk about different ways to promote Bluehost as an affiliate. And then at the end, simply state to them, hey, if you want to learn more, if you want complete information on how to promote Bluehost, click the first link and click the first link and enroll in this course. You'll learn everything that you need to know. As you can see here, the course creator has broken down, which is me, has broken down everything that you need to know about affiliate marketing, about the Bluehost affiliate program. And this is a very powerful way, again, because it's congruent. It goes along step by step with what your customers' needs are. Obviously, the first thing you need to do is figure out what your customers' needs are, but this can work again and again and again. The course creator has essentially given you an outline where you can create many videos, which are essentially advertising videos, to get them to click the link and buy the product. But this can work for anything. It doesn't have to be my products, obviously. It could be with One Funnel Away. You can follow the same process. Take each section of the course. One Funnel Away is a 30-day training, and you could do day one. These are things that you can expect to learn. If you want to learn more, click the link and get the product. For example, if we go over to YouTube and we type in One Funnel Away, that's exactly what some people are doing to get people, A, inside information, B, get them excited about the program, and C, make money. So if we type in One Funnel Away challenge, you're going to see tons of people creating content about the One Funnel Away challenge, explaining exactly what it is and how to get started. But this is how you do it step by step. It's really easy. And if you do it the right way, again, take pieces of a course. For example, this would be one video. What is affiliate marketing? You give a bit of information about affiliate marketing and then tell them, if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, click the link in the description or click the link in the bio wherever you're creating content. Another day, you could talk about how to pick a niche. Now, you don't want to obviously steal the content that's from this course or any course. You just want to summarize and synthesize and then tell your target customer, target audience that if they want to learn more in depth, more hands-on, step by step, to go over to this course where they can learn more. But as you can see, the course creator has basically done all of the work for you. There's over maybe 30 lessons in here where they're talking about affiliate marketing and how to make money. And you can do this again and again and again. Another thing that you can do is you can jump over to YouTube and you can try and figure out what your customers want to know. Again, you can say, if we're talking about my course, the affiliate marketing course, you can simply go up to YouTube and type in affiliate marketing, and then go through each letter of the alphabet and create content on each piece of information that you find, each keyword that you find. For example, here, if we look, affiliate marketing for beginners, you could create content showing people how to get started with affiliate marketing for beginners. And then at the end of your video, you could say, hey, this has only been a 10-minute video, but if you want 3 hours worth of training, click the first link in the description and you'll be taken to a website where you'll get tons of training. And again, you can do this again and again and again. What I recommend that you do is you can go through each letter of the alphabet, affiliate marketing for Quora, and you say, hey, look, this is only a bit of information about Quora. If you want to learn everything that you need to know about affiliate marketing and you don't want to watch 25 YouTube videos, click the first link and you'll be taken to a course where you'll learn everything that you need to know. You do this, you're going to start getting leads and sales, and you're going to start making some passive income. Now, ultimately, I recommend that you send people to a landing page, you collect their email address, and then you can follow up with them step by step and potentially make money that way. Now that you know how to promote affiliate marketing courses, click the first link in the description for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. When you click that first link, you'll be taken to a free training where you'll learn how to get started step by step. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. Also, check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.